Hello friends, welcome to Healthylivingfitter channel with Florence Straka. In today's video, I am going to make a simple healthy smoothie with iron fortified, vitamin D and protein. We're going to have all this in this smoothie. And so stay with me as I put everything together and we give it a taste and see how this comes out. So I am going to put everything together. Stay with me as I do all that. See you back here. So in today's ingredient that we'll be using for this green smoothie is going to be, we are going to use 1 cup of milk, and I'm going to use 2 bananas. This is very well ripe banana because we need it to be sweet. We're going to use that. I'm going to use 1 cup of spinach, which I've already washed nicely and make sure the water dries out of it. And then we are going to peanut butter, 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. So that's all we are going to use. I'm going to put in the spinach, which I've already washed, and I'm going to just peel the bananas and just make sure that you take all the strings out. If there is any black spots, just take it out. Doesn't hurt anything. It's just because it's just well ripe. Normally I just use 1 banana, but because I have these 2 bananas, I don't want them to go bad and I don't like to waste food. So because of that, I'm going to make the 2 bananas in here as well. Okay, and now I have 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. It doesn't matter what kind. This is smooth, creamy one. So I am going to just drop this in here, and then now I am going to add 1 cup of milk. All right, and we are just going to cover this up and we are going to move this out of the way. All right. All right, now that the blend is done, we are going to open this. Oh wow, look at that. That is lovely color and texture in here. That is so lovely. I like this. Look at this. Look at the texture, the creaminess, the green, and everything is so yummy. So I'm going to give this a taste to see exactly how this comes out. Hello friends. So we just finished making this lovely green smoothie. 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, any kind, 1 glass of milk, vitamin D, and then we have 1 cup of fresh spinach, and that is iron fortified. And then we have 2 bananas that we blend everything together. We are going to give it a taste and see how this tastes like. Okay, I love this. It's light. You don't take the spinach. Amazing. You don't taste the spinach. You taste the peanut butter and then the sweetness of the banana and then milk. The spinach is lost in there, but it's so amazing. Everything is just so smooth. Guess what? This is what I'll be drinking right now, and I love it. And I'll love you to try this and see. I know it sounds somehow, if you want it, like you add peanut butter. I didn't know it was going to come out this nicely, but it did. So I hope you can try this. I love it, and you will like it too. Just give it a try and see. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also like, share, comment. And if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below for me, as I'll get back to you. As always, I thank you for watching my videos and also staying healthy, stay blessed. Until my next video, don't forget to hit that notification button so you'll be notified when I make my new video. Stay healthy. I'll see you. Bye.